Hello, welcome to the weather update. Kind of a gloomy, wet, damp day across the area. You'll notice that you have this warm front that's literally parked right here. So if we look at the, you can see you could just draw it right there. South of it, they actually had some sunshine, clear skies, and much warmer temperatures. To the north of it, we're kind of cool and misty and just dealing with damp, wet, overcast, kind of dreary conditions across the area. If we look at, we go to underground right now, which we'll do next. And it's pretty much been like this the whole day. You'll notice the wide range in temperatures. 50s on Long Island are actually around 50, and then as you head into Jersey, temperatures rise a little bit. And earlier in the day, it was probably even more significant. I want to look at the rainfall amounts that we had, because we actually had some thunderstorms this morning. And you'll see a quarter of an inch. Some areas got a half an inch of rain on Long Island. Let's see. 0.32 out east. So, yeah, we got a little more rain than expected. The city didn't get much, though. It looks like they didn't get much of anything. And look at New Jersey. All right, I think that 2.32 is off. There are a couple of high amounts here around Trenton. It looks like some of these showers and thunderstorms really produced a lot of rain. Yeah, they definitely got hit a lot harder. In this area, you could see over an inch of rain in some of these reports here along the Jersey shore. But Toms River, absolutely nothing in Toms River. So it was very localized. Downtown Toms River, nothing. But if you go a little bit to the north and the east, just the northeast part of Toms River, look at that, 0.43 inches. So it's very localized. Yeah, but actually now it's showing more rain amounts. I don't know. There's one that's reading 0. I don't know. That may be just a mistake. But you can see here some of these amounts, particularly eastern part of Toms River, a half an inch. And there actually was a lightning strike. Actually, we're going to talk about that as well. Let's see if we actually did share this. Ocean County Mall. Actually, lightning struck the Ocean County Mall. The Boscovs there. Let's see if there's... Yeah, all right. This is what we have here. All right, it didn't really make a whole lot of news, but Jersey Shore Online. No, here we go. Smoke condition, second floor at Boscovs. It's the only report we have, but there's a smoke detection. This was due to lightning striking the building. It was actually updated as a lightning strike. I put it up, but apparently there's nothing in the news about it, of course. Nothing in the news. What else is new? So, again, nothing in the news about it, but lightning did strike the Boscovs at Ocean County Mall. It was a lightning strike. Ocean County Scanner News. You should update your webpage. You should really update your webpage. Oh, here we go. Here, maybe this is it. All right, so we actually had lightning strike a tree, too, as well, in the corner of Oak Ridge and Cardinal. But there was also lightning strike as well at the Boscovs. It hit the air conditioning unit. They have it only on their Facebook page, so I'd have to look up their Facebook page, which I guess I'll have to do now because they can't update their web page. Which, again, how hard is it to update your damn web page? I don't know. I don't know what's with these people. But I'm going to go down here. This is what we have here. Updated. Toms River Boscov struck by lightning this morning. We've been told that lightning struck the condenser on the roof and it exploded. The store has no power and the upper level is filled with smoke. The store is closed until further notice. So that's what it is. It's a major news story. You'd think somebody would cover it. But no, nobody covered it. WOBM, they're not going to cover it. They're just a bunch of nonsense. So again, the media is like got issues. Like I said, their priorities are just really messed up. So I'll show you what happened with these storms this morning. We're going to actually rewind the radar. Around 6 o'clock, right around 6 o'clock, you could see some really strong thunderstorms, actually. And we had some thunder and lightning here in Mineola, too, which we weren't expecting. Look at that. Yeah, it's some pretty intense activity. It's just 6:20, and you can see it kind of now affecting Long Island. We'll pull this out a little bit. You can see it starting to affect Long Island around 7 o'clock. And we had some flashes of lightning and some loud claps of thunder here in Mineola. It looks like it got a little weaker as it went further east. But, yeah, that was definitely impressive for sure. So let's, we already went over the current temperature, so around 50 generally. Let's go to the highs and the lows. Um, and you'll see a big, well, just the highs. You'll see that big disparity. So you'll see 50s mainly on Long Island, and yet in Jersey, once you head south of Toms River, 70s. You can sort of see where that warm front was parked. If you're in Monmouth, you didn't get into it at all. But we can look at some observations. Go back to the station. We'll look at some observations to show you. Obviously, over Long Island, it was just cloudy all day, so I'll just show you what they had in New Jersey. Coil Field. Let's see what they had at Coil Field. So you'll see here, yeah, they got up to 70, and the winds actually went northwest for a while. It was damp. You can see the humidity went up, too, as well. They don't really report sky conditions. All right, well, this is solar radiation, so it kind of shows you that there was some sun there. The sun actually did come out. We can also look at a high-resolution satellite from MODIS as well to show you where this kind of interesting where this warm front was. You can see, look at this. You can sort of see, all right, let's get the one for the afternoon. You can sort of see, look, south, the southern part of Jersey, further south. Actually, I think you had to be further south, like Atlantic City Airport. Looked like they were mostly sunny. I want to look at Atlantic City Airport and see if they actually went mostly sunny for a while today. Let's see what their observation is. If it would come up, that would be nice. Because we all know you have to wait for these observations to come up. So right now they're 55 and overcast. But let's see what they were. Almost 80 degrees. Look at that. Almost 80 degrees in Atlantic City. And they actually did have some sunshine. That's incredible. So yeah, the southern part of Jersey, south of Toms River. Toms River really didn't get into it too much. The warm front kind of got hung up right around there. But anyway, as we get into tomorrow, this system will lift out. We'll have a dry day. Then we have a break, and then another system for Wednesday. Then Thursday will be the best day of the week and the warmest. And then we have to watch this coastal low that is going to bring rain Friday. It could linger into Saturday, and eventually maybe finally move away by Sunday as a high pushes it out of the way. So let's go look at the HRRRs. I know this week is going to suck. Let's go to 0Z HRRR here, and you'll see we're done with the rain. Tomorrow will be dry, but then we're going to be dealing with more rain Wednesday, and could be dealing with it a good part of the day at least. It looks like mainly the early part of the day. Later part of the day looks drier, but don't be fooled. There could still be some drizzle around. So that is what we have on the HRRR. And again, as we go into the next system, as we get a better idea, that second system for Friday could be quite a soaker. We'll have a better idea on that as we get. I'm not going to focus too much on that in this weather update. So let's look at the dew points and airflows. Obviously, we got that northeast wind, and we're going to have the east wind for tomorrow as well. So the dew points will come down a little bit, but it won't be all that dry, and it'll also keep some clouds around. And then Wednesday, we have some more moisture working into the area. You'll see the humidity come up, and that'll bring our next batch of rain. Temperatures. It looks like another warm front perhaps for Wednesday. But for tomorrow, you clearly see that marine air there. Mainly 50s, maybe near 60 inland. But even Jersey Shore, it looks like they're going to have that easterly wind. When you go west, you can sort of see it's sort of like that front is still there, kind of hung up in that one spot. And then for Wednesday, we'll see a similar setup again as to today. So it'll be a kind of a very similar day, I think, to what we dealt with today. Temperature-wise, if we want to go a little further, looking at the GFS is Thursday. That will be the mildest day, upper 60s to around 70. Friday, we're back into the doom and gloom. Friday and Saturday, and then maybe getting out of it by Sunday with warming up a little bit. So let's look at our skies here, and I'll actually go to the GFS first for that. So here is the GFS, obviously showing plenty of clouds for tomorrow, plenty of clouds for Wednesday. Even Thursday, it has a lot of clouds around. We're going to be dealing with lots of clouds. No nice clear skies. We may have to wait until Sunday for that, or Monday. Let's go look at the Origin, which, of course, higher resolution model. So I'll show you what's going to happen tomorrow. You can see those clouds. It may break up a little bit, particularly over Nassau County, maybe a little bit of a break. Western parts of Long Island, the clouds hold on east. And obviously, we're dealing with those clouds on Wednesday. And then for Thursday, it looks like we should have some mostly sunny skies, but there may still be some clouds around at times, probably just high clouds. It won't be a clear day, but at least it'll be the best day of the week as far as sunshine goes. So, yeah, crappy pattern we're in. But we'll have to wait it out. We have an April weather in May. Sort of messed up, right? We had the last couple of days of April were like May, and now as we begin May, it's become like April again. Anyway, have a good night.